Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session. So in mathematics, in second PUC mathematics, up to now, inverse trigonometrical functions is completed, continuity, differentiation, and indefinite integrals completed up to now. What about your preparation? So important area, preparation so important, and your learners in calculus, writing so important. Just listening to us is not enough. Practice all these sessions. So today, just I will explain you how to prepare calculus. All the three operators completed for you. A limit operator, next differential operator, integral operator. Next, yesterday we conducted one exam. I will explain you that question paper. Further, next chapter is definite integrals. We'll go for it further. I hope that all you are safe, and I am also safe. Yesterday, successfully, we completed the second PUC English exam, but there is a lot of risk. Still, when we are going to start your regular classes, there is no clarity. Maybe according to Central Minister guidelines, maybe after August 15th. That's still 2 months. These classes will going on. So up to now, 30% syllabus is completed. Maybe we are going to finish another 30% syllabus. So 60% syllabus means it is very useful to you if you complete the preparation. So all the parents are worrying about your preparation. I'm getting phone calls. Please take care of your preparation, because maybe they will reduce the syllabus 25 to 30%, but time is also very less for you. So this batch, your batch is affected a lot because of this corona, because still classes are not started for you. Regular classes are not started. So I'm requesting all the students and all the parents, take care of your preparation first. That is must. You are going to write second PUC exams, you are going to write KCET, you are going to write JEE mains, you are going to write NEET exam. So you are going to write the exam means preparation is required for you. Don't expect wonders without preparation from your side. So I am sincerely requesting of you, everyone, utilizing all these classes properly. And even I gave all the phone numbers of our faculty. If you are having any doubts, you can clarify your doubts. A good response from the student side, especially, not from any other sides. We are giving the classes for you, listening to us carefully. Even we are releasing in YouTubes. You can revise those classes if you are not understanding in regular classes. Practice perfectly. You have plenty of time. Only 4 hours classes are going on for you. Practice perfectly. And even we are planning online exams for you. Online objective exams we are planning. I will inform you after completion of that planning. We'll conduct KCET exam, we'll conduct JEE mains exam, we'll conduct the NEET exams for you. Immediately we'll get the analysis also. How you are attempting, what is the analysis, question paper explanation will be there for you. So we are planning for that one. So we require your sincere cooperation. And any fees dues are there, first PUC, please clear that fees dues immediately. And second PUC fees, after reopening the college, you can pay the fees. Or if you are okay now, if you are capable means now also you can pay the fees, no problem. So coming to the today's session. So the first, calculus deals with mainly 3 operators. Earlier in starting class also, just I explained you this one. Once again, this is the right time to revise how to prepare calculus. First operator is limit operator. Limit operator, first one. What is the definition? Definition of the limit. Next, properties of the limits. Definition, first definition. Practice the definition. Next, properties of the limits. Preparing one table, properties of limits. Properties. Next, third one, formulae. Formula, standard formula. What is the standard formula here? The fourth one is methods. To solve the problems, what are the methods? This is the software of the calculus: definition, properties, and formulae and methods. And here we are using only algebra functions and trigonometrical functions. So first, gather the information for a limit operator here. Immediately practice for a differential operator, d by dx. What is the definition? What is the properties, formulae, and the methods? Next, integral. Recently, integral operator also completed for you. Integral of dx, indefinite integrals. If you are preparing the table like this, within 1 hour you can revise the total calculus. And you will not be in confusion, you will not do the mistakes also. So please practice like this calculus. Today we will discuss the explanation of that question paper. Tomorrow we'll start the next chapter. See that? Indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals. This chapter is completed, 7 exercises completed for you. Here, first definition. What is integration? Reverse process of differentiation. Integration is the reverse process of the differentiation. Definition. Next, second one, properties. What are the properties here? Properties we discussed. Integral of k dx, k outside, constant. Integral of 1 dx, x plus c. This is first property. Second one, integral of k into f of x dx. Some k into f of x means constant, we can write outside. Integral of f of x dx. Next, third one, algebra. Integral of f of x plus g of x dx. Here we can write I am writing only for 2 functions. For any number of functions you can use this property. Even if minus is there, you can write minus. Integral of f of x dx plus or minus integral of g of x dx. Next, here product rule is different. Last method, that is like not in differentiation, u into v is there, u by v is there. Here there is no u into v. There is only in some special cases only we can use product rule, and there is no u by v rule. It is depends upon the methods. Next, another important one is integral of d by dx of f of x. Integration and differentiation at a time means we'll get a function plus some constant, integral constant. It is c. C may be any real number. It is. Next, same property reverse. D by dx of integral of f of x dx is only f of x. See the difference. When outside integration is there, indefinite is there, compulsory we have to add the c. When outside differentiation is there, only f of x answer. These are the simple important properties. And what are the methods of the differentiation, integration? See that, just I will revise the methods. Already you finished it. First one is formula method. Just a formula method. Formula method. See that. Integration is not that much of easy like differentiation. Differentiation straight away application. Integration is every problem is a puzzle for you. One puzzle. How to crack these puzzles means first understand the given function. Formula method. In formula method, so what type of questions you will get based on x power n dx, integral of x power n dx, integral of 1 by x dx, integral of a power x dx. Next, integral of e power x dx. These are the algebra functions. Log x by parts method once again here. Next, integral of sin x, integral of cos x you can write. But integral of tan cot second exercise it is. Integral of secant cosecant second exercise, substitution method problems. But here what are the formulas, standard formulas? Integral of secant x into tan x, integral of secant square x, integral of cosecant square x, integral of cosecant x into tan x. Based on that one only you will have problems. So first, that's why analyzing the outline, then you attack the problem. While you are solving the exercise method wise, very easy for you. But in the examination hall, overall idea is required to crack a simple problem also, because you will go in a wrong method. So practice is required. So first practice the formula method. Second one, substitution method. Substitution method. What we will do in substitution method? We can find integral of tan x, integral of cot x, sin x by cos x. Put cos x is equal to t, sin x is equal to t. We can crack the problems. Substitution method. So analyzing the given, just analyzing the given function and choosing from that one only, in given function only, selecting someone as substitution, easily you can get formula method. So that's why practice like Fazil's method. Every problem is different in integration. That's why easily you will forget it and you will do the mistakes. So practice perfectly here. Third one is integration of rational functions. Two methods. Direct formula methods, integration of rational functions. 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by square root of x square plus a square, 1 by square root of 1 by square root of a square minus x square minus a square, direct formula methods, and based on that one. Next, further, based on partial fractions. Partial fractions is a new concept for you. So here two types. In third method, integration of rational functions, main exercises here. One is based on standard formula, another one is based on this one, partial fractions. So practice the 5 models of partial fractions. Once again, we have to apply the standard formula here. And fourth method is by parts method. What is the by parts formula? Integral of f of x into g of x dx. Integral of f of x into g of x dx formula. What is the answer here? F of x first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function for all this integration. So difficult formula it is. Practice is important for you. And in only some special cases we'll use this one. First one, x into like sin x, or x into cos x, or x square into sin x, x square into cos x, like that. Combination of one polynomial, either it is linear or quadratic, and trigonometrical functions. In those cases we'll use. And inverse trigonometry cases, polynomial and inverse trigonometry cases. And the next, to choose the first function and second function, what we will use? Eilert. This is just a phrase. This is not a fixed rule. Eilert is not a fixed rule. It is a phrase, one convenient rule. We identified one convenient rule to solve the problems very easily. Eilert means I stands for inverse functions. L stands for logarithmic functions. A stands for algebra polynomials like x square, like this. Here log x, here inverse functions. Trigonometrical functions like sin x, cos x. E stands for exponential functions. E power x, a power x. For example, integral of x into sin x dx. What is the first function and what is the second function means? Follow this one order. X is algebra polynomial. Sin x is a trigonometrical function. So x is first function, sin x is a second function here. So we can follow this Eilert rule. And one more here. Yes, I am giving you outline. One more model in by parts method is whenever single logarithmic function is there, choosing one as a second function, or inverse functions. How to evaluate integrals of single inverse function like sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse of x, choosing one as a second function. This is the second model here. And integral of like this, square root of a square minus x square, square root of x square plus a square, or square root of x square minus a square. While evaluating these integrals, choosing the one as a second function and complete this one. We'll finish by using by parts formula. So this is another special case. And one more formula is there here. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. What is the answer here? E power x into f of x plus c. So 3 modal problems are there in by parts method. One is direct model, choosing first function and second function. Second model, while evaluating the single logarithmic function or inverse function, are like square root of a square minus x square, or square root of x square plus a square, or square root of x square minus a square. And third model is e power x into f of x plus f dash x. E power x into f of x plus c. Okay, this is the outline for you. So already discussed. Just today we'll discuss the question paper. See the yesterday's question paper. Yesterday, because of second PUC exam, I am busy with conducting in second PUC exams in 2 centers. So I posted that paper at 11:30. I hope that you can understand my problem. And next, this is Sunday also. Once again, get ready for indefinite integrals exam. Another 2 hours exam, 10 to 12. Definitely in time I will give the question paper for you this time, and write the one more time exam, because integration is required minimum 10 exams. 10 exams. You will do the simple mistakes. If you are writing more number of exams, you will come to know, you will get perfection. We have time. So this is Sunday also, you will have integration exam. Okay, get ready for it. Today we'll discuss that question paper. Give me first question. Evaluate integral of 2x minus cos x plus e power x 3 cos x e power x dx. This is 1 mark problem. Listen to me. First, just simply read the function 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x. We can use the property. Write this one first. 2 constant integral of x dx minus 3 constant. 2 properties we are using at a time. 3 into cos x dx plus integral of e power x dx. Now applying the standard formula. This problem belongs to, immediately you have to identify formula method. So directly applying the formula perfectly. So practice that formula. 2 into, what is x integration? Which formula we can use for x integration? X power n integration. What is integral of x power n? Integral of x power n, first exercise. Many number of questions depends upon this one only. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1, 1 by x dx. This is the derivative of log mod x plus c. These two are the important formulas. Integral of x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral of 1 by x dx, when n is equal to minus 1, we will get x power minus 1, that is 1 by x dx. So all x power n cases, how to finish? Any n belongs to real number, n belongs to real number, maybe pure integer, rational number, any fraction in denominator, like that also. You can create your own problems here. 2 into x integration, x square by 2 minus 3 into cos x integration. Cos x is the derivative of sin x. Okay, d by dx of cos x is negative, but integral of cos x is positive. So cos x integration sin x. Don't write minus sin x. Definitely you will write minus sin x. Plus e power x integration, e power x. After completion of the integration, c compulsory. Compulsory. Otherwise you lose the 1 mark. If you are not adding the c, they will not give the mark for you, because it is indefinite integral. There is no definite value. Next we will discuss definite integrals. 2 cancel them. This is the answer. X square minus of 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. See, just a formula method, first question, simple. Second problem. Integral of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. First read the function 2-3 times. Secant x into secant x plus tan x. There is no direct integration. There is no direct formula for it. So multiplying with secant x, we'll see. See the first one, integral of secant square x dx. Secant x into secant x plus secant x into tan x dx. Simplification towards standard formula. Next, keeping in your mind always in this formula method, sometimes they will not give you directly formula. First problem is direct formula, but this one is simplification. A small simplification towards standard formula always. Keeping in your mind, simplification towards standard formula. That's all. Any problem, you can crack any type of puzzle. Integral of secant square x, we have direct formula. Because secant square x is the derivative of tan x. Practice that formula list. Secant x into tan x direct formula. What is the answer? Secant x plus c. That's all. A simple step. Just multiplying the given functions. Secant square x plus secant x into tan x. You will get the direct formulas. Simplification towards standard formula. That is the software of first method. So in this question, we revised the two formulas. Always practice the answers through concepts. That is so important. Practice number of questions. So the third question. Integral of e power x into secant x into 1 plus tan x dx. See this one. So read the function first. E power x into secant x into 1 plus tan x. What is the idea you are getting? If you are not getting, once again read the question. E power x into secant x into 1 plus tan x. If you practice all the 5 methods, then you will get the idea. E power x is there. Go to last formulas. E power x into f of x plus f dash x. Maybe it is applicable, maybe. So try for it. Multiplying the function. Integral of e power x into secant x plus secant x into tan x dx. So e power x is there outside. Let f of x is equal to secant x. Let f of x is equal to secant x. What is secant x derivative? Secant x into tan x. So applicable. So answer is e power x into secant x plus c. When we apply that formula in bracket, compulsory write that one. Otherwise you will not get marks. Which formula we applied here? This is integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. So this is e power x into f of x, compulsory. Sometimes they will give for 2 marks also this question. Here we give for 1 mark for you. E power x secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. So you are learners in integration. Practice is important for you. Read the function 3-4 times in integration. You will get the first method idea. Then you go for that one. Practice. Very dangerous topic, indefinite. Sometimes mind will be completely blocked, zero. You will not get any idea also. Integral of 1 minus of sin x by cos square x dx. Right. Now see this problem. 1 minus of sin x by cos square x dx. Simplification towards standard formula. By using, this is a trigonometrical function. So you people require trigonometry knowledge. So 1 minus sin x by cos square x. 1 minus sin x by cos square x. Generally, you will get cos square x can be written as 1 minus of sin square x, 1 minus of sin x into 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x cancel, 1 by 1 plus sin x, you will not get answer. That is one option. Only two options here. Another option is, this is just like a minus b by c. A minus b by c. How to attack the problem? Separating it, integral of 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x. This is first trial. So in this trial, 1 by cos square x means secant square x. We have integration. Sin x by cos square x means sin by cos, tan 1 by cos secant. So directly in the next step, we are getting standard formula. Write that formula, 1 by cos square x formula. 1 by cos square x formula. This is integral of secant square x dx, integral of secant square x dx minus sin x by cos square x, sin x by cos square x, sin by cos tan 1 by cos secant, secant x into tan x dx. Maybe answer is simple, but see the knowledge which required for you. Trigonometry knowledge is required. Now standard formulas. What is integral of secant square x? Integral of secant square x, direct formula, tan x. Integral of secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. That is secant x plus c, compulsory, plus c. Next question. Right, next question. Fifth question. Integral of cosecant x dx. Integral of cosecant x. What is the derivative of cosecant x? Minus cosecant x into cot x. But integral of cosecant x, in first formula method it is not there. So second exercise, go to substitution method here. But we required for this problem extra, we have to alternate this function. Directly we will not get the answer. Cosecant x, just I am doing this operation. I am multiplying with cosecant x minus cot x. So we multiplied the numerator with the function cosecant x minus cot x. So with the same function, we have to multiply the denominator also, cosecant x minus cot x dx. Now see this one. Multiplying inside, integral of cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Now see this one. What is the derivative of cosecant x? Minus cosecant x into cot x. What is the derivative of minus cot x? Plus cosecant square x. So put the denominator is t. We'll go for substitution method. Put cosecant x minus cot x is equal to t. So what is the cosecant x derivative? Minus cosecant x into cot x plus cosecant square x dx, this is equal to dt. For 1 mark question, directly you can write the formula, you will get the marks, no problem. But this is the method. Directly, it is a formula, you can write for 1 mark question, directly you can write the answer. Now see this. This problem becomes integral of 1 by t dt. What is 1 by t integration? Log mod t plus c. Write the t value. What is the t? Log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So like this, what is integral of secant x? Practice that one. Integral of secant x. Log mod secant x plus tan x. So here the discussion came, integral of tan x, practice it. Integral of cot x, you practice it. Integral of secant x, integral of cosecant x. Second method, substitution method. So these are the first 5 questions. And our next one. Answer all the questions 5 into 2. See the 6th problem. Integral of x power 4 minus of x power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. First read the question. X power 4 minus of x power 1 by 4 by x power 5. It's a rational function, but it is not a standard rational function, so you will not get any idea. But one important model in PUC, substitution method problem it is. If we are taking x power 4 minus of x is equal to t, no use. You will not get any simplification. So this model is given many times in JEE Mains. Not the same problem, a similar type of questions on it. So what here power 1 by 4 is there, taking x power 4 common first. This is a different problem. Taking x power 4 common. See, after solving this problem, you can identify the who prepared this question. What is his mindset, you can identify. Into 1 minus of x by x power 4 means 1 by x cube power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. One typical attempt to prepare this question, that's all. 4 cancel, x cancel, 1 by x power 4. Still now also your mind will be blanked, why sir is doing like this. Now put this one is t. This is complicated function. 1 minus of 1 by x cube is a complicated function. Put this value is t, then you will come to know the path. So path is not there means don't stop your trial. After some steps you will get the idea. So go to until that step. Here reading by this question mind will be blanked immediately. So in what way they prepared this question, you identify it first. Do some trials. What simple simplification, x power 4 common, I applied 1 by 4. 4 cancel, x cancel. Put this value is t. We'll see. What is your path, you will come to know. Why I am keeping this one, you will come to know afterwards. 1 minus of 1 by x cube is equal to t. Okay. Now what is the derivative of this function? 1 derivative 0 minus x power minus 3 derivative minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. X power minus 3 derivative I am writing. Into dx is equal to dt. So minus into minus plus, this is 3 by x cube, x power 4 it is, minus 3 minus 1, dx is equal to dt. So see this one, 1 by x power 4 into dx value we are getting dt by 3. Now see this one. After that substitution, this problem becomes very simple. Integral of t power 1 by 4, 1 by x power 4 dx value dt by 3. dt by 3. Now 1 by 3 constant, we can write the integration of t power 1 by 4. So x power n model. So this is a capable problem. It is a PUC question. You go through it previous papers. 3-4 times this model is revised in JEE mains paper directly. This model questions. So see the importance of the PUC. If you are having PUC perfect grip, 50% objective preparation is over. You will get same questions only directly, same techniques you will get. Two typical steps here. Complete this integration. 1 by 3, t power 1 by 4 integration. T power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 4 goes to numerator, here 4 plus 1, 5. 4 by this is 3 into 5, 15. T means write the t value here. What is the t? 1 minus of 1 by x cube power 5 by 4 plus c over. PUC point of view over. In JEE mains, they will simplify this answer to confuse you people. They will simplify this answer, be careful. X cube minus 1 by x cube, they will apply this power by 4. If any cancellations are there, they will do it. So practice it perfectly. Capable question for JEE mains. One expected model in JEE mains. Next, see the 7th problem. Integral of sine 2x into cos 3x dx. Sine 2x into cos 3x. Sine 2x into cos 3x. No product rule. Both are trigonometrical functions. Then immediately sine A, sine B formula. We will split this one, we can write the integration. What is sine A, sine B formula? Go for it. Sine A cos B formula. Write this one. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sine of, sine and cos combination. Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Simplifying towards standard formulas. So this is trigonometrical functions. So we'll use the trigonometric knowledge. Sine A cos B. Most important problem in PUC, many times given. Sine A cos B. See, in place of A we have 2x, in place of B we have 3x. Applying this formula here, 1 by 2 sine of A plus B, 2x plus 3x, 2x plus 3x plus sine of A minus B, 2x minus 3x. Sine of 2x plus 3x plus sine of 2x minus of 3x dx. Separating into two integrals. What are the two integrals? 1 by 2 integral of, first integral is sine of 5x dx. Sine of 5x dx. Plus second one is sine of 2x minus of 3x. Sine of minus x minus. So minus 1 by 2. Don't forget it. Outside 1 by 2 sine x dx. Now standard formula. How to write the sine 5x integration? Minus cos 5x by 5. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sine 5x integration formula minus cos 5x by 5. Otherwise put 5x is equal to t. Directly you can write, no problem. Minus of 1 by 2 sin x integration minus cos x plus c. Write the answer, final answer. This is equal to minus cos 5x by 10. Here minus of minus plus. This is cos x by 2 plus c. Go to our next problem, 8th one. Integral of e power x into x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. E power x is there, this function is there, x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. Maximum whenever e power x is there, first we will try for e power x into f of x plus f dash x. That model only this problem. Most important problem in PUC, K-set a definite problem. PUC and K-set definite problem. Model it is. Now see this. Integral of e power x into. How to get that model? F of x plus f dash x. We have simple algebra rational function. This is algebra rational function. We'll using by some of our simplifications, we'll make it as f of x plus f dash x. In denominator x minus 1 is there. First blindly we'll try for x minus 1 here. So what we have to do? X is there, subtracting minus 1, adding 1. Minus of 3 is there. This is the procedure. Okay, by x minus 1 whole cube dx. We'll see. So this is equal to integral of e power x into x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube, x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. Here it is plus minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. X minus 1 cancel here power 2, 1 by x minus 1 whole square. This function is plus minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. So if it is f of x, its derivative must be this one. We'll see that one. Find the derivative of this function. D by dx of, I am writing 1 by x minus 1 power 2. That means x minus 1 whole power minus 2. Write the derivative of that function. We'll check it. Because directly not possible. So write that answer. X minus 1 whole power minus 2 derivative. This is equal to minus 2 into x minus 1 whole power minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 1 derivative how much? 1. So here this is equal to minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. So definitely If it is f of x, 1 by x minus 1 whole square is f of x means it is f dash x. Can we write the answer directly? So answer for this question is e power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square. It is f of x plus f dash x plus c. Integration is completed together plus c. In bracket write this formula. Since integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus, compulsory we have to write this formula. In physics, K-set not required. So first what we have done, we tried for denominator function, so subtracted minus 1, added 1. Automatically we got the f of x plus f dash x. So this simplification is problem to problem, it is different. That's why don't by heart the solutions. You have to crack the indefinite integrals problems like a puzzles. Every problem is one simple puzzle, but knowledge is required. Not a ninth problem. So the ninth, integral of 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 dx. See this problem. Integral of numerator is 3x square, denominator is x power 6 plus 1. So it seems to be a complicated function, but simple method is there. X power 6, this can be written as x cube whole square. Put x cube is equal to t. X cube derivative is 3x square. We'll get 1 by t square plus 1, tan inverse of t. So do this one, substitution method. Second method problem it is. Put x cube is equal to t. So 3x square dx is equal to dt. 3x square dx is equal to dt. See the new question here. After substitution, this problem becomes 1 by this is 1 plus t square dt. Integral of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Direct formula. 1 by 1 plus x square integration. Tan inverse of t plus c. Write the t value. This is a tan inverse of, what is t? X cube. Tan inverse of x cube plus c. Right on the next problem. Tenth problem. Integral of cos square x dx. Integral of cos square x dx. Integration of trigonometrical functions. There is no direct integration for cos square x, sin square x, sin cube x, cos cube x, sin power 4x, cos power 4x. We have integration only for sin x, cos x, like this only. If power 2, sin square, sin cube, or cos square, cos cube, sin power 4, up to cos power 4, you have problems. So what we have to do, we have to convert it to multiple angles. Power is there, power 2 is there, we will convert it to multiple angles. What is cos square x formula directly? We have formula in trigonometry. Cos square x formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Practice this formula. We can write the integration. Sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sin cube x, we can use sin 3x formula. Cos 3x, cos cube x, we can use cos 3x formula. Converting to multiple angles, then we can write the integration. Two models. Earlier, one problem we solved, that is sin 2x into cos 3x by using multiple, this one, transformations. This one by using formulas. Converting to multiple angles. See this one, integral of 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. So this is equal to, first one, integral of 1 by 2 constant 1 dx plus 1 by 2 constant, 1 by 2 constant, integral of cos 2x dx. Integral of cos 2x dx. What is integral of 1 dx? X. 1 by 2 cos 2x integration. Cos 2x integration. Sin 2x by 2 plus c. That is the answer. So like this, practice the sin square x, sin cube x, cos cube x, sin power 4x. Sin power 4x ante sin square x whole square. Cos power 4x means cos square x whole square. 2 times we'll use. Practice those models here. So 2 marks questions completed, 1 mark completed. Now coming to the 3 marks questions. Answer all the following questions. 11th problem, evaluate. See the 11th problem. Integral of x into tan inverse of x. X into tan inverse of x dx. X into tan inverse. Read the question first. X into tan inverse. One algebra polynomial and one inverse function. So by parts. Immediately you had to get that idea. What is first function? What is second function? Islet. Inverse trigonometrical functions. So tan inverse of x first function, x second function. By parts method. By parts method. So this is equal to, now applying this first function into tan inverse of x into integral of x dx minus tan inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square integral of x dx x square by 2 dx. Second step I wrote directly. Tan in first function derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, second function integration x square by 2 dx. You will not get confusion. Now finish this one. Integral of x dx x square by 2 x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2. Now see this one. X square by 1 plus x square. How to evaluate it? Adding 1, subtracting 1. Adding 1, subtracting 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Simplification towards standard formula, that's all. X square by 1 plus x square. So this is equal to x square by 2 x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square 1. So first integral is integral 1 dx minus of minus plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Separating this one, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square 1 minus of minus plus 1 by 1 plus x square, second integral. Now finish it. This is equal to x squared by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx x plus 1 by 2 1 by 1 plus x square formula tan inverse of x plus c. We can simplify these two terms, first and third. So the final answer is x square plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x minus x by 2 plus c. Okay, dear students, tomorrow we'll finish the remaining question paper. And I am sincerely requesting all you people, already 3 months, summer classes are not there for you. March, April you lost. Now May, June also, totally 5 months lost for your academic year for you. So take care of you. I'm getting phone calls from the parents. You are not serious about your preparations. You are the loser. Your parents are not going to write any exams. We are not going to write any exams. So sincerely, we are taking classes morning 8 to 12. Second PUC classes are going on. Evening time, we are completing first PUC objective. Because after coming for you, maybe time will be very less for us. So definitely, we will concentrate on second PUC syllabus only. So first PUC objective also you have to take care of it. So two responsibilities. First, perfect the first PUC objective, and second PUC, what is the classes are going on, perfect this one. Then definitely you are the good benefits. You will get good benefits for you in PUC exams, in KCET exam, in JEE Mains exam, and NEET exams. So take care of you. All the best.